काम कर, उसको फोन करो सुरेश।
Guys are having tea and coffee. Please visit. Okay guys, my name is Jaydev. I am from the 90 batch. We would want this to be a bit of a nostalgia for everybody who's come here. So I think it's from 85 onward. So anybody from the 85 batch who wants to come here, say a few words about their classmates, how they are doing today, please come. Starting 85 batch, 86, 87, anybody. Just raise up hands and you can just come over and introduce yourselves. Just say a few, how do you want to feel like this? Come on guys, be a man. Mincy, come on, you can start. Ladies first. Okay.
Thank you. I can talk without the line? Myself, I'm Mincy. It's on. No, it's not. I'm Mincy Mohan. Then, now. I'm Mincy. Mincy Mohan then, Mincy Jeevan now. Born and brought up right here, Fulham. Now I stay in Indore. I'm a school teacher. I'm a school teacher by profession. Since past 8 years, I'm a school principal. I'm very glad to come here and see all of you gathered here. It's really heartwarming. I have got many memories. Many good memories, bad memories. Bad memories are less good and memorable memories are too much. Very much. Day before yesterday when I decided to speak here on my behalf, on my batch's behalf, I went to my daughter, my elder daughter, she's 15 years old. I went to her and asked her, "Beta, please help me. Suggest something so that I can speak on my behalf for my school." And my daughter was like, "Mom, that is your school. What can I say about it? I can talk about my school, not your school." And I was just right. What can she say anything about my school? She doesn't know my school. Still, I was not convinced. I went to her husband. I asked him, "Jana, could you help me out? I want something to speak. No, वो अंदर से इतनी ये हो रही है ना कि कुछ तो बोलना है मुझे स्कूल के बारे में." And my husband was, "मैं तुम्हारे स्कूल के बारे में क्या बताऊँ? You know very well what to tell." And I was like, "Exactly. You all relate to me, right? Who better can explain your school life than yourself? Let's speak." Maulik sir का स्टाइल, वागले सर का स्टाइल, शुक्ला सर का स्टाइल, मौलिक सर का मुझे बुलाना, "ए मिंची, इधर आना." And I would start like, "हाँ, तुम कैप्टन हो ना?" "Yes sir." It was so sweet. I remember each and every sir, each and every teacher. One thing was very much evident. They never crushed your heart. They never crushed your heart. That helped me a lot. Being a teacher, being a principal, I know for myself, never crush a child's heart. And I take that principle from here towards my professional career. I'm very happy to be here amongst everybody. My seniors, juniors, let's have a good time. Rock it! Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Thank you, Sabir. I think, I don't know about everybody else about pressing heart and all. My heart was pressed for sure a couple of times in Mount Vidyalaya. And those girls are not here though. But one of the elder ladies who pressed our heart was Dolly ma'am. We used to all have a big crush on Dolly ma'am. So I think she continues to give us good ones. Around the hand, anybody else? Mincy has set the tone. I want somebody to eclipse her. Let's eclipse Mincy. It's a tough task, but I'm sure somebody can come. Come on guys, be a man here. Let's challenge the girls. Okay, another girl. Okay.
Somebody is taking over.
1995 batch. Just like to say that, when Alumni came up, then I started thinking about these 2 days. Then I started thinking, where are my friends? None of them were in my contacts. Started searching them drastically on the Facebook. A contact led to the second one, and today we created a WhatsApp group of 25 of us, all abroad. And they were like, okay, click us and keep uploading it. As in, when some teachers are post we want to see how our teachers look now. And we were talking about Tata teacher the other day. Yesterday night at 12 o'clock midnight, we were discussing about Tata teacher. It's like, how she used to beat us on the knuckles and, how we did our homework. And actually, my book. And I would like to tell you that I have a photo of Naina teacher. You won't recognize her then and now. It's like a before picture and an after picture. I have it with me. I just showed her the other day when we were practicing for the Lambada dance long back. We had taken a photo. She looks so different then. In fact, my both daughters are also studying in Mani Vidyalaya. It's a family of onions in my house. My eldest standard and the younger one is in 4th. When I showed my elder one Naina teacher's photo, she was like, this is not Naina teacher. I don't this Naina teacher. We were arguing about Bar teacher because Naina teacher belongs to her now. And she feels Naina does not belong to me. It was like a conflict at home. So, a lot of memories. In fact, a lot of teachers, nicknames, and we remember we strict us then out there. But nowadays, fine, no more discussion of that. But yes, a lot of sweet memories the school has given us. I still, whenever I enter the school for any PTA needs or parent teacher meeting for my girls, when I see my teachers, I feel so proud, and what today I am is because of my teachers. I can proudly say that. It's they who taught me how to speak, how to face people, how to interact with everyone. It's what I want because of my school. Thanks a lot. Thanks, teachers.
Thank you. Again, namaskar to everybody. I think we have got lots of celebrities amongst us. I think everybody knows Radhakrishnan. Who knows Radhakrishnan? Radhakrishnan is the author of the book Corporate Chanakya, and is one of the key reasons we are all here. And Radha, supplemented by Matangi, who is here, and school staff. So let's give a round of applause to the people who are in the background. Dr. Sabu, Sabas Shetty, Rajesh from 1991 batch. And the webcast is also from one of the next. Can we ask you to come over here? Okay. So I'm posting the guys, they're a bit shy, but they're all over here. So, okay, so this is the business of webcasting. So anybody wants to do any wedding and show it all over the world, or your children and uncle, auntie, whatever, he's the guy. And one of the very, very popular guys whom we have today, who also happens to be the chief guest, is Mr. Sandeep Karnik. Can you have a big round of applause for Sandeep Karnik, please? Sandeep Karnik represents Rani India because nobody gave us a chance that to become anything in life. And Sandeep Karnik is an example that we all who are here models, who are just another guys, who never thought we could become anything. He has reached the sky and he stood up to emulate it. Over Sandeep. great joy coming here. I am meeting so many old friends. 25 years is a long time. 1995. I think this is from 86 onward. There are some people even 85 onward. So I think there are some people for whom I think it's 30 years. Friends like many things I remember there was a vada pav stall here. And there used to be a huge crowd there. One more fond memory is the library. There used to be a very old librarian. I don't remember the name. And we used to go there and get books. First time I had read their asterisks and obliques. Then Margaret sir was there. I didn't see. Sir, ख्यालों में I remember Shukla sir was there. I don't know if he's there. सर ने चूड़ी वाले बाबा सिखाया था मुझे अभी तक याद है फैंटास्टिक and today we are all working somewhere and friends just think the motivation and the way they taught us today we being motivated like that or getting that motivation from our juniors or seniors it is just impossible. The way our teachers taught us. One more great memory, which just now everybody of us were talking, was the PT sir, Mane sir. Almost all of us, I don't know if he's here. I cannot be very, but almost I think everybody of us has got prasad in his hand. Idhar aao. I used to stay and then used to run. I think there was somebody who was doing his action. Naveen was there. Naveen.
Girls are like, they are not the ladies at all. Good one.
go in one line and assemble an auditorium. We have got a nice fancy auditorium right now, so you will enjoy the sight of it. So requesting everybody one side. We have.
Good evening, Manyans. I am Ram from 1982 back. Okay, along with Raza, Madaki and Suresh, we are trying to put together, excuse me, backbenchers as usual. Come forward, all the backbenchers. There's some important announcement happening. Hello. Thank you. As we speak here, there are about thousands of Vanians globally seeing this event directly. This is happening across the auditorium as well as in our room where we will be stationed as we go up. Because our auditorium can take care of few hundreds of people. The rest of people will sit live watch in room number 43 opposite to auditorium. That is what is happening, live webcast. Right? Let's give big hands to Suresh. Now, as we start, let us not rush what we used to do in the school days. The band will start. Ravile sir is here. Mane sir was there. The band will start and we'll start getting into it. And slowly we'll go move upwards. We must ensure that the global level event which is happening is being monitored by Suresh in the camera. So we have to take care that is not trip. Right? So it's our responsibility to take care of that. Right? It's an electronic world, so we need to be slightly careful. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. On behalf of the SIO management, I, the principal, Dr. Mrs. Dolly Henry, would like to welcome each one of you all to the Alumni Meet 1986 to 2013. On behalf
Hello, ma'am.
Veena, can I occupy the room?
Good evening and a warm welcome to all Vanians present here. Today is a special day, a day that bridges the gap between the then and the now, a day that takes you down memory lane, a day that celebrates the true Vanian in you. And to make this day more auspicious, we would like to start today's program with a prayer song by the students of Standard 9 and 10. I request all to please stand for the prayer.
कुछ ऐसा कर देगा ना, राधा जैसी बन जाऊं, मैं मंगल दीप जलाऊं, मैं तेरा ध्यान लगाऊं। मीरा सी लगन लगाने भक्ति के पद पर लाने, मीरा सी लगन लगाने भक्ति जोत में मैं रंग जाऊं, चरणों में तेरे मैं बैठूं, तेरी जोत में मैं रंग जाऊं, मैं मंगल दीप जलाऊं, मैं तेरा ध्यान लगाऊं, कुछ ऐसा कर दे कान्हा, कुछ ऐसा कर दे कान्हा, राधा जैसी बन जाऊं, मैं मंगल दीप जलाऊं, मैं तेरा ध्यान लगाऊं।
Please be seated. हितेश ये चालू है ना माइक?
थर्ड सेकंड
चालू है ना? Good evening. Good evening. Good evening and a grand welcome to all the Vanians. Great to see you all here with all cheerful faces. Happy back to school. Now I request Madam Principal to escort the dignitaries to the dais. Nelson Mandela aptly said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Visionaries 6 decades ago had unquenchable faith and a mortal belief to create an abode of learning, Vani Vidyalaya. Their efforts have been reaped by many students of various sections of the society. Vani is today at its peak with 59 years of existence and also being declared as the best school in North Zone by Education Department, Mumbai. And now is the Diamond Jubilee celebrations during the academic year 2014-15. Our vision, educate, empower, elevate. Our mission, venturing into new vistas of education, awakening architects of modern India, nurturing the youth to be the salt and light of the world in pursuit of growth and excellence. So, let us keep moving forward, opening new ideas and new doors and doing new things for this prestigious institution, Vani Vidyalaya. On behalf of SIS Management and Principal Dr. Mrs. Dolly Henry, I welcome one and all gathered here for the alumni meet for the batches 1986 to 2013. Arranging a bowl of flowers this evening can give a sense of happiness. To share this happiness, we would like to present bouquets to our distinguished dignitaries. President of SIO, Mr. C.V. Srinivasan. Madam Principal, Dr. Mrs. Dolly Henry. Honorary Secretary, Mr. V. Ramakrishnan. And Chief Guest of the Day, Mr. Sandeep Karnik. We now present before you a welcome song by the students of secondary section.
वामी, स्वागत है करी तो वामी, दिव्य दया गण गजाननाला, दिव्य दया गण गजाननाला, आमंत्रण देतो संकटामध्ये धावून येतो, संकटामध्ये धावून येतो, भक्ता ओळखतो, भक्ता ओळखतो, स्वागत है करीतो वामी, स्वागत है करीतो वामी, प्रमुख पाहुणे नर नारी जन, प्रमुख पाहुणे नर नारी जन, अध्यक्षांसह प्रमुख सभाजन, अध्यक्षांसह प्रमुख सभाजन, हार तुरे हे प्रतीक केवळ, हार तुरे हे प्रतीक केवळ, आदर दर्शवितो आम्ही, आदर दर्शवितो आम्ही, स्वागत है करीतो आम्ही, स्वागत है करीतो आम्ही, शब्दा मागे अर्थ धावतो, शब्दा मागे अर्थ धावतो, स्वरतालाची माळ गुंफितो, स्वरतालाची माळ गुंफितो, केवल शब्दन त्याच्या मागे, केवल शब्दन त्याच्या मागे, भावगीती असतो, भावगीती असतो, स्वागत है करीतो आम्ही, स्वागत है करीतो आम्ही, दिव्य दया गण गजाननाला, दिव्य दया गण गजाननाला, आमंत्रण देतो संकटामध्ये धावून येतो, संकटामध्ये धावून येतो, भक्ता ओळखतो, भक्ता ओळखतो, स्वागत है करीतो आम्ही, स्वागत है करीतो आम्ही, स्वागत है करीतो आम्ही, स्वागत है करीतो आम्ही.
Thank you, children. Hitesh. Thank you, children. How's that feeling? Junior Vanians welcoming the seniors. Be the change that you wish to see in the world. Were the words of Mahatma Gandhi. She wished to see that the institution Vani Vidyalaya becomes a prestigious institution in Mumbai city. She has made Vani Vidyalaya proud by bringing lots of accolades, not only on national but international level too. A few of them are the Shiksha Bharati Puraskar, Indian Achiever in the Field of Education 2012 Delhi, and also the Global Achievers Award for Excellence in Education awarded in Dubai 2013. She achieved this goal by sincere action incorporated with determination and confidence, and honest endeavor, persistent efforts to do the best possible with a team of teachers. Yes, she is none other than our Madam Principal, Dr. Mrs. Dolly Henry. I now request her
to welcome the vibrant Vanians back to their alma mater.
Good evening and a warm welcome to the alumni meet for the batches from 1986 to 2011. 2013 actually. The chief guest for our program this evening is Mr. Sandeep Karnik, our President Mr. C.V. Srinivasan, our Honorary Secretary Mr. V. Ramakrishnan, Senior Mrs. Karnik, Mrs. Karnik herself, her lovely babies, the other members of the managing committee, all section heads, and all you Vanians who are seated here, and all of us who are watching live, a big hi to everybody. This evening I'd like to share on a topic called Significance or Success. What counts in life is not the mere fact that we have lived, but what difference we have made to the lives of others, said Nelson Mandela. Most successful people think they are successful because they have everything. But success actually is just a stepping stone to significance. And John Maxwell, a management guru, said 3 big differences between successful people and significant people. He said successful people tend to be selfish, but significant people cannot be selfish. He said also that successful people tend to have an influence that will last only their lifetime, but significant people will last many a lifetime. And the biggest difference which John Maxwell said is that the influence of successful people is very limited, whereas those who are significant is unlimited. An anonymous writer once said, if you influence a child, you influence a life. If you influence a father, you influenced his family. But if you influenced a leader, you have influenced all those who look up to him for leadership. Success or significance. I know it can be best illustrated by 2 prominent personalities. One is Alexander the Great, the king of Macedonia. Of course, he ruled for a large number of years, and then one fine day actually he was even called the king of Persia, the king of Asia, and the king of the 4 corners of the world. Such seemed actually his success. But about the same time actually there was lot of internal strife, and at the young age of 32, Alexander the Great, like any other mortal man, died. And when he died, there was absolutely nobody from his Colossus type empire near him. Was he a success? Was he significant? Many centuries later, in the year 1912, a little baby girl was born in the same country of Macedonia. And when she was barely 8, she lost her father. And when she was 12, she felt a call to serve society. And at the age of 18, she left her country to come to our own India. Many of you would have guessed it. Yes, that is Mother Teresa. But I don't know whether you all know, she started off as a teacher and worked for 20 years and even became the headmistress of her school. But all along she was disturbed by the poverty and misery she saw around her. And then she decided that she will do something. She left the convent and she took up this call to the poorest of poor, where nobody was willing to reach out to them. Her mission was to the helpless, the hopeless, the unwanted, the uncalled, the uncared for. Many a time she was depressed. In fact, she noted in her diary that her first year was fraught with difficulties. She had absolutely no income, and she writes down that she had to beg on the streets for even the regular supplies. But she pressed on because she knew she had a mission and she had a vision. Starting with just 12 sisters, in the order. By the year 1997, the order was 4,000 strong sisters across million workers in 123 countries. And at her funeral, the very many tributes that I read and heard, one remained with me, and it was by the United General Xavier Perez de Cuellar. He said, Mother Teresa was the United Nations. Success or significance? The choice is yours. Either you choose to be a success story unto yourself, or to be a success story with a significant contribution to the society you live in, making the world a better place and a finer place to live in. With these words, let me warmly welcome you once again to Vani Vidyalaya. Have a great day and God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am. Be like a candle which burns itself but gives light to others. The person who leads Vani Vidyalaya is the torchbearer of the visionaries who translated it into reality. A potent combination of strategy and character. A good orator who proved that any work done with determination and hard work culminates in great achievements. He is our President of SIO, Mr. C.V. Srinivasan. Dear Vanians, you must have learned history while in school. History of nations, life history of great men and women, and so on, which taught us to live the life a worthwhile. But the history of an institution lays bare the efforts, hard work, sincerity, and perseverance of visionaries. I now request President of SIO, Mr. C.V. Srinivasan, to give a brief history of Vani Vidyalaya.
Distinguished Chief Guest of the Day, Mr. Sandeep Karnik, our Principal, Dr. Mrs. Dolly Henry, Honorary Secretary, Mr. Ramakrishnan, Basis, Mr. Karnik, my colleagues, Vice Principal, Mr. Ashok Jadhav, AHM, Mrs. Naina Rodriguez, Supervisors, Ms. Janaki and Shukla Sir, teachers, and all alumni people. A very good evening to all of you. A colorful atmosphere. It is indeed a matter of great pleasure to all of us to be here on this occasion to participate in today's function. The second alumni meet being arranged here, and I am extremely happy to see you all in a very, very spirit of enthusiasm, ready to help this institution in the best way possible. As you are aware that this particular year 2014-15 is the Diamond Jubilee year of this institution, and never in the history of Vani Vidyalaya had the experience of such happiness and joy we are having today, as all of you are coming here to come and attend this function. As a part of the program, I have been asked to tell you about the history of this institution. Anyway, having said that in the previous alumni meet also, I will repeat the same thing only anyway. This great Vani Vidyalaya, it was in the year 1955, the South Indian organization started, and in 1956, this great institution Vani Vidyalaya was started. A few visionaries with a view to promote education, in 1956, this institution was started. With two standards, that is first standard and second standard, with 27 children. We started two divisions in 1956. With two divisions A and B, two divisions we started in 1956. And in 1959, we started the fifth standard, 1959. And in 1961, eighth standard and two divisions we started. In 1963, ninth standard, and in that particular year only, the then Chief Minister, Mr. Kannambar, inaugurated the building foundation of this institution. That was in 1993. And in 63. And 1964, ninth standard, and in the 66, we started the SSC, and in 1966, our first batch of SSC, 25 students with 88% of success. That was the starting point. And in the subsequent year, improved like anything, the percent has gone up to 96%. This is the thing. And we had the principal starting from our old lady by name Lalita Sharma, followed by Robert, then Sida Sundararaman, then our Sarojini Nair, followed by Laisama John, and 5 years Mary Thomas, and now our great principal, our Dolly Henry. And another important thing is, never in the history of Vani Vidyalaya we have got 100% commerce, and during this particular year we got 100% commerce also. In 1993, we got the first prize for the best science exhibition by the T-Ward exhibition 1993. And in 1974 and 82 years we got our students top in Malayalam and Tamil subjects. That was another achievement. A series of achievements are going on. Apart from that, our teachers are also not lagging behind. Many of our teachers got ever so many awards also. Phule, Mahatma Gandhi Phule Award, and the Global Achievement of Principal, and so on and so forth. Thus, we have got ever so many achievements. Whatever I remember, I am telling you, but I can't say more than that. I am getting old anyway. Whatever is possible, I told you. If I tell you more, it will be boring also. Then another part of it. Anyway, with this, I stopped that part of it. Now I am coming to aluminum. I already told you that you people are really very great, because never in the history I told you such a good people, such an aluminum student, very interesting and very happy coming here and helping us. It is really nice to see. We can't have a second time. I will tell you how you are, how sweet you are. That I want to tell you, because you people are the sweet products of this Vani Vidyalaya. For that, let us imagine, to tell you that I am telling you an example, let us imagine this great institution Vani Vidyalaya as the product producing sweets. Let us imagine this great institution Vani Vidyalaya as the product producing sweets. And the concept of education established by the missionaries earlier is the milk. The concept of education established by some missionaries promoting education, that is the milk. You all know very well, from the milk we are getting curd. From the milk we are getting curd. In the same way, from the concept of education, we are getting knowledge. The knowledge is important. The knowledge we are getting. And from, if you churn the dahi, if you churn that, you will get butter. So better after getting knowledge, that the degree you people all got, the student, the degree you have got. And if you warm up the butter, we will get what? Ghee. And the ghee is used to make sweet. So you people, after getting this qualification, entered in many sort of jobs. And some are engineers, some are doctors, they are all sweet people. That's why I'm thinking you are all sweets of this good institution. I'm really happy and I'm thankful to all you people to take the trouble of arranging this meeting so that with your cooperation and goodwill, we will continue to do our best also. In the meantime, you people can organize some functions wherever possible. Management will always be helping to you at fundraising program, whatever it may be, you can do that during some vacation. And after everything is over, I would like to have a get together of all alumni with teachers and management to celebrate our what we have done is correct or not. We have to do that. With these few words, with you good luck, I am concluding the speech. Thank you all very much.
Thank you, sir, for the sweet acquaintance of the history of Vani Vidyalaya. Our next speaker is a man that needs no introduction. He is a true Vanian, a person who is synonymous to virtues like honesty and humility. A true visionary who wishes to lead Vani Vidyalaya on the path of growth excellence. He is none other than our Honorary Secretary, Shri V. Ramakrishnan, sir. We request you, sir, to please address the gathering.
Good evening to all of you. Mr. President, Mr. Srinivasan, our Chief Guest, Mr. Sandeep Karnik, Madam Principal, Dr. Mrs. Dolly Henry, our Vice Principal, Sri Ashok Jadhav, sir, Mrs. Naina Rodriguez, our AHM, Supervisors of our Secondary Section, and Headmisters of Primary Section, Mrs. Sampurnam, all our respected teachers, and conveners of all our conveners of the 60th Diamond Jubilee celebration, and my colleagues in the managing committee, and all our Vanians. As our principal and our president said, it is a joyous mood for all of us to be here today. It's an overwhelming response which we are getting from our alumni meet. This is the second meet. Our 60th Diamond Jubilee celebration started on the 7th June with some pujas. Now we had our alumni meet last month. This is the second meet from 1986, as he said, to 2013. First of all, on behalf of the managing committee of Vani Vidyalaya, we thank all of you for all the supports extended to us in organizing the 60th Diamond Jubilee celebrations. We are having a year-long program for the celebrations. We will be intimating, and will be our alumni center will be putting it on our website, monthly programs also. We need all your participation, all your support to celebrate this event in a grand scale. We are planning to have a finale program by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Yesterday I met at one of his secretaries in Chennai. He has promised to get him here, and you will be following up. I request Mr. Sandeep or somebody else to just influence them and getting here for our Diamond Jubilee celebrations in the month of January 2015. He is in Delhi now. He said we exempt the invitations and were requesting our president as well as our principal. Normally he comes for all the Diamond Jubilee celebration. That's what I was informed by the secretary. We will be making that. If that is the thing, there is another achievement for us, all of us. And I think everything our president and the principal has told you, all of you see it, sort and all. We have a lot of expansion projects. I request all the alumni members to take their projects and extend your complete support to us to make this institution to the further heights. With all that, we wish you a glorious future for all of you. Thank you for once again for coming here and recognizing. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The greatest Guru Dakshina a teacher receives is in the form of the achievements of her students. Our chief guest for today's ceremony is one who has excelled in his chosen field with sheer talent and commitment. He passed out from Vani Vidyalaya in 1990. He is a BE Electronics and MBA in Marketing. He has completed his master's degree in Police Management. He has donned several caps of responsibility in his career as an SP, Jalna, Nanded and Pune Rural, Special Branch Mumbai, to now the Superintendent of Police, Anti-Corruption Bureau, Thane. He is extremely sharp, hardened criminals, and an ideal leader of his men. He was responsible for eliminating and controlling crime in all his postings, setting benchmarks in police leadership. We are indeed proud of his multifaceted achievements. I would now request Mr. Sandeep Karnik to please address the gathering.
Hello. Dignitaries on the stage, respected President Sir, Secretary Sir, Principal Madam, all the executive members of SIO, Vani Vidyalaya School Management teachers, my dear friends, my dear batchmates, and all of our alumni right till 2013. Firstly, I would like to thank the school management and some of our school students or the alumni who have come up with this idea of an alumni association, and the school and SIO has so willingly backed it. And that is the primary reason why we all meet today. Thank you very much, sir. I also congratulate the institution and the school for completing 60 years. Friends, it's a privilege to be standing here and speaking on behalf of all of you and extending the good wishes to this institution, to our school, where we had gone, I remember, in half pants. We used to have a badge here. I don't know if the badge is still there. A metal badge. And if you forgot the badge, then one period we used to stand outside. But to be very fair to this institution, friends, to develop such an institution is not an easy task. I remember, we all remember the way our teachers had taught us. Each and everyone had such good quality and such good motivation, and they used to teach us so well. Today we are all working somewhere. Some people are having businesses of their own. Some people are working in big organizations. Friends, today to have that sort of quality and motivation from our juniors, from ourselves or our seniors, it's a very big thing. And institutions are built on that motivation, that dedication of the staff, of every member working there. I think SIO and Vani, when I look back, this is not a single flaw that comes to my mind. Everything was perfect, sir. Every lecture was perfect. Every teacher was perfect. And I think it will not be less to say, I have seen many products of many schools, of the best schools. We had in our batch people from everywhere, doctors, engineers, people from Doom schools, people from good schools of Delhi, Chennai, Bangalore, everywhere. But both in professional qualities, professional competence, and at a personal level, the values that the school has imparted to us, the values of integrity, both at a personal level and professional level. I would like to, with great pride, say here that we are none less than the best. There used to be, I have seen people who have completed their education from IIMs, IITs, from good schools in Delhi. Stephens they used to stay. We had some friends who were from the Doom schools. They were kids of very big shots. And all their school life, college life, they have stayed out in best of the institutions. But we never once at a professional or personal level felt inferior or in any way challenged by them. I thank SIO and I thank Vani Vidyalaya for making me and all of us, I am speaking on behalf of everybody, this privilege that has been given to me is to represent all of you. And I think thanks to the school, at the point of repetition, thanks to SIO, that it has made us the best. Friends, to come in a school where you have studied from 5th standard and to sit on the stage and to talk to all of you in front of all the members, executive members, the president, secretary and the principal. I remember the principal's room in the ground floor used to be a very dangerous place. We will not venture that side. And even if we go, we used to just run past it. So it's a great pleasure, it's a great privilege. And there are many people among us, many of my alumni mates, my batchmates who have made it very big. But I thank again the school management and principal madam that I have been given this chance to represent all of you. Many things to say here, many memories, many, like down, I was just speaking, physical training by Mane sir, Hindi, Wagre sir and Shukla sir. I always remember them for their dedication that they had put in. Every lecture was a class apart. I had taken Marathi. There was a Mani teacher also, madam. I remember. Karta teacher was there, none of us can forget. We used to be quite scared of her. And even if she would ask some question, many of us, I remember, would just stand up and cry. I remember mathematics, Elizabeth teacher was there. Chemistry. I don't remember the name, but I think Kaveri teacher was one there, somebody. Lot of names. Please forgive me if I have forgotten some. But friends, it's a miracle the type of motivation and the type of dedication they had. How many of us have that? And if we have, definitely we'll be number one in all our chosen fields. I don't want to take a lot of your time. But friends, it's a great pleasure to come back here. Sir, madam, once I had come to school, maybe a year or two back. I didn't know whom to meet. I didn't have the daring to go to the principal's room and tell them that I am an ex-student. So I just came inside, I just took a look around. I went to the first floor. But the school was not open that time, I think. Then I went to that place where the canteen used to be. From far off I saw the principal's room and I came back. Then one day, my friend Radhakrishnan, he told me about all the things that are happening here. And he then, when we came here, we got introduced to the principal. It was such a great feeling that we can officially come here. Otherwise, just looking from outside, and that also was a great feeling. But to come here officially and to talk, because finally, this is our school. This is the place which has made us. On behalf of all of you, I thank all the school teachers, many of whom I can name, some whom I cannot name, many of whom you can name. You have memories. But to everybody, I salute all of them. I salute the school management for giving us this place where we could develop. I would say a million times thanks, but it would still be less. We would be sitting here for a full month thanking the institution and the people who made it, but it would still be less. I think with a final thanks from all of you, with a final word of gratitude from all of you, I would end my 2 words. Again, thank you SIO, thank you Vani. Vidyalaya, we will all be always there through whatever ups and downs the school and SIO passes. Now that we have been brought together as an alumni. And again, thanks a lot, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for kindling those warm memories of yesteryears. There's a special announcement. Car numbers MH02 BM5158 and MH03 A2 5869. The car owners are please requested to meet the watchman. Another special announcement by Shri V. Ramakrishnan, sir.
Sorry for the interruption. The management decided to felicitate all our ex-presidents, all our ex-principals, all our staff members, as Mr. Karnik said, all the teachers. So we are planning to felicitate them during the schedule of our programs. We will be sending invitation to all of you through our website, through our alumni center. Please try to participate on those days. Thank you.
I am humbled to introduce the next speaker, Shri Radhakrishnan Pillai, who stands true to the adage, actions speak louder than words. He is a writer, philosopher, consultant, lecturer, and above all, one who is very proud to be a Vanian. He is the one who spearheaded the creation of the Vani Alumni Center and works ceaselessly towards its growth and progress. I would now request him to brief you about the Vani Alumni Center.
A warm good evening. It's actually a great privilege to come to the school anyways, whether it's the first time many of you are coming or people like me who have become a habit to come at least twice or thrice a week now. But you know, these corridors speak special words to us, isn't it? We can see the small child who was standing out. We can see the teacher lovingly shouting us. Outside the gate, we remember the days the mother left us for the first time. Or when we walked out saying, school ho gaya abhi uniform dalne ki zarurat nahi hai. You know, I've been very privileged that I stand here as a third generation Waniite. My parents, my mother is here. My parents, when they got married in Bombay, even though they are from Kerala, they decided to have their reception in Vani Vidyalaya. So for them, that first room is the place very important even before I was born. I came here as a small student, nursery, junior, KG. I passed out after 12th standard. So I have the whole thing, and now I have my children joining Vani Vidyalaya. The daughter has just joined. But you know, I want to tell you something about Vani. I think we have got hundreds of stories. If there are 300 people here, we have got more than 300 multiplied by 30 stories, right? Whether it's heartbreaks or that first, you know, or is it that first public insult or the public praise? You have both, right, isn't it? When you stand in front of a teacher and the whole class or you come here to get that medal. You know, I've seen everything. I remember all the Malayali friends can tell you, Gomadi teacher. I remember that clear words in Malayalam. You know, it's a South Indian school. A lot of us preferred this because it's not we. Our parents preferred it because it was Tamil Malayalam, and of course, a lot of Maharashtrians and other. So you used to wear that RSP. I had this advantage of height, you know. So you used to like, next day, Gomadi. Vannu velli RSP. Which meant, aaya bada RSP wala, just because you donned a few badges and next day gone. They say the game of cricket is a great leveler. You know, you get 3 centuries and next 4th match 0. I think Vani taught us that also, isn't it? So all the best students are appreciated and you got the next day flat. As Sandeep was telling, I don't want to speak much because I'll tell you where the whole seed idea started, and that's important for all of us. Is that I've been very fortunate with my 1990 batch. We've been very much in touch. Out of maybe 120, personally I've been in touch with at least 70-80 of them, directly, indirectly. And one of the person I've been very personally in touch with our batchmate Sandeep Karnik, and when I came to know, हमारा batch का लड़का IPS हो गया है, wow. But you know, there is always this fear, yet the compatibility. It's like the Sudama going to Krishna, you know. So Sudama doesn't want to go, even though from the same Gurukul, you know, same Guru ke teachers, but you know, then the wife has to push. Chalega, apna hi hai. Luckily my wife didn't have to push. I said, you know, will I really able to go to Sandeep? But luckily what happened, his mother and my mother are also friends. We are both the mothers here. So I used to get a lot of these updates, and you know, I remember Sandeep's father telling me, Aajkal asa hai, tikde. And I remember one day casually I took Sandeep's phone number and called him up, and he was SP at Shahpur, yeah. Among the first postings that he had, I went over there, and you know, this policeman, right? And then he is standing outside, and you don't know. So this constable says, Karnik Sahibana bheta isse. Kaun hai tumi? And then I said this in a very dara voice. त्याच्या शाळेचा मित्र है. Really comes it. I think that's the advantage every Vaniite has, right? It's not about what post you have. It's not about what you have, because हम उसी मिट्टी के बने हैं, उसी स्कूल से निकले हैं और वही टीचर का सेम डांट खाया है. But in my first interaction with Sandeep, when we were sitting together and discussing informally over lunch, he told me something very deep, and it struck me, and I can never forget that. Sandeep, you may not be aware of this, but probably the contribution that we are trying to do is that one word he said. Do you know, Radha? Vani never had any socio-economic status problem. Which part of the society you come from? Whether you are a bhaji wala ka beta or a multi-billionaire ka beta, वो teacher के आगे छोटा ही है. social economics. I think the hundreds of schools that have come up, probably there's one school which has maintained. People ask us, kitna fees lete? Abhi bhi 5 rupeya, 6 rupeya. Let me tell you. And free, because we alumni and many of us are sponsoring. So I don't want to go into nostalgia, as I told, everybody can tell a story, but let me tell you what exactly is what Alumni Center is doing, because Madam requested me to speak on that. There are quite a few people who are working on this even before the 60th year. So we have our seniors also, but some of them who are actively involved, who are present also over here. We have Sabu. Sabu, can you? That's Sabu. We have Jaydev. That's Jaydev. We have Rajesh. Rajesh, yeah, that's Rajesh. We have Sridhar. We have Ramakrishnan sir, but he's not in Bombay right now. There's Suresh. We have Ram. And many of us, I mean, these are just a few names, but many of us know one special person who's connecting everybody, Madangi. Now this is not alumni. What's increasing is that when we started, we said alumni to hai because of Facebook and WhatsApp we are connected. The hundreds of Facebook pages we are there. But what is the difference is that we have a proper Vani Alumni Center. So what is the difference? So just I'll take a couple of minutes as a part of my speech to explain to you what is the difference between a Vani Alumni, which is a reunion, and a batchmates and coming to school, versus a center. A center is a place to connect back. And as Sandeep said, I may come out of the school, yahan pe bhi main sikha tha, sikhi thi. But that whole thing that whether I will be able to go in. Please understand, for all the 50,000 students who are passed out, that mental block is no more there. You can come in any time, because there is a 24/7 number which Madangi has currently, saying that I want to come to Vani. Please, there's no please, you'll be most happy. This is a red carpet welcome. You saw the band. We connect back to the school because probably that child in us requires re-energizing, isn't it? So here's a center that we started. The alumni has been always active in some form or other. Some people have been giving scholarship. Some people have been sponsoring, lights, fans, poor children. But we say let's formalize it. And what is the formalizing thing? Is that now we have a proper office. We have a small center in the ground floor when you walk down. So you can come 10-15 people, we can manage any time. And what we are also trying to do is that in this 60th year, we said let's do something for Vani. There are 2-3 things that we are doing. One is called Visit Vani Vidyalaya, VVV. So some of you are able to come here, many of them are watching live, but please physically come here, depending on your time. Don't worry about it's an organized program. You organize 10-15 people or 4 people or 2 people, we will open the school for you. The better you tell us, so it's basically Visit Vani. Second, which we really realized after the last couple of meetings, is that everybody wants to meet their teachers, isn't it? So first thing was that people come to school because of number one, their friends. But I think people come to school because of the teachers. Dolly ma'am has been my teacher also. So we are saying let's now, and when we had made the whole list of 60-year celebration, one was getting all the past teachers together. You want to see them? So my request is that can we extend our people to come, and I'm telling you that is going to be really the event. We'll tell you the dates. All past principals, teachers, whoever there, we'll try to get maximum. But that's on the side for the 60th year. But just to give you some statistics that we are working on, the admin, myself and all of everybody, including Madangi, who has been working on that, is there are 50,000 people who have passed out from Vani till roughly. We are trying to get the database. Some of them are outdated. So I request all of you to kindly fill the forms so that we can keep you informed. Out of which, in the last 1.5-2 months, April we started, May, June, so let's say 2.5-3 months, we are able to directly get in touch with 4,000 people, which is not bad. Out of which 1,000 people have already visited Vani. So just to give you an idea, we had the first soft launch of the Vani Alumni Center, and there is Madangi and many of us who are trying to do the work. 100 people came. Last couple of weeks back, we had the first alumni meet from 1966 to 85. We had roughly again 100 plus people, and today we are having 300 people. You will be surprised outside. The people are standing on the road, there is no place because the capacity of 250 is already full. There is a parallel one happening, and there are so many people who are still not able to sit there. That shows that we are crossed more than 350 as a number. So 400 people have already come to this school in one way or the other. We want you to come. 1,000 plus people, so we are having some monitoring of the statistics. It's crossed 1,000 people. So they're all watching it in different countries, almost 17 countries. This is what we have been able to do in 2 months. But what is essential is that the team is not enough. So with every time we got new people joining us. So we have Suresh and we have Ram. A lot of people are still, so don't worry about the names. Like Sandeep is a part of it. So he will be able to do in some his or her form. There are so many of my friends, so that Thomas is one of them and many of them. So what I'm trying to tell is that judte jao aur kaam badhate jao. But I like to wind up by telling you 2-3 things. Institutions, when you look at 60 years, they're built because of 2 reasons. Teachers, students, and of course, the management and the alumni staff, the staff and everybody. But I'll tell you, can we go back from here? In whatever our capacity, it could be finances, it could be skills, it could be professional contacts, and say later on, after 2 years when we look back at Vani was built not only because of good teachers, good management, but also excellent alumni who came back and contributed. Just to tell you friends, when we look at Vani, as the teacher announcing that I'm very proud of being a Vani. Believe me, each one of you, if you look at statistics, we can go on and on. The kind of people who are passed out from Vani is amazing. The kind of the profession they are doing is amazing. We have doctors here from my batch, we have Smita, and so many, like we have Jaydev working for Vodafone, some of our entrepreneurs, some of them are doing. But what I'm saying, there are people who have made not only good for themselves or their families, but they are contributing at the world level. We have Sandeep here, but we have one more special person who was the chief guest in the previous one. We have Dr. Ajay Prabhakar. If you would kindly stand up. 1990 batch, working for United Nations. We have friends working for NASA, we have friends who are in the film industry, event management companies, not. And also to tell you that the world's most economic car, not the cheapest car, because the most cheap was designed by a Vaniite of 1992 batch, Nano, by Nikhil Jadhav. I would just say, connect back to school, come here, footfalls karo, kaam hote rahega. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Radhakrishnan. Gratitude is believed to be the most noblest of human emotions. And it is even more nobler when gratitude is mixed with happiness. We are indeed grateful to our chief guest, Mr. Sandeep Karnik, who accepted to grace this occasion and inspired us with his achievements. I take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to the management of SIO, the President Shri C.V. Srinivasan, the Honorary Secretary Shri V. Ramakrishnan, and other members of the Managing Committee for organizing such a benevolent program. We would also like to thank our Madam Principal, Dr. Mrs. Dolly Henry, who envisioned a strong and active alumni, as she believes that the biggest resource of a good institution is its alumni. We would like to thank all our section heads, Mr. Ashok Jadhav, Vice Principal Junior College, Mrs. Naina Rodrigues, Assistant Headmistress Secondary Section, Supervisors Mrs. Janaki Iyer and Mr. Shukla, Mrs. Sampurnam, Head Teacher Primary Section, for their valuable support and guidance. We are also grateful to Mr. Radhakrishnan and Madhanki, whose ceaseless efforts help towards building an active alumni. We would like to thank all our ex-students from 1986 to 2013 for your presence and participation. And lastly, we would like to thank all our Vani Vidyalaya staff across all sections from primary to junior college, without whose efforts this event would not be functional. Thank you to one and all. Before we leave, a few words to ponder. Henry Ford has said, "Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success." On behalf of the management and teachers, I appeal to all of you for your cooperation and active participation in making the Diamond Jubilee celebration a huge success. Thank you and have a nice day. I request all to please stand as the dignitaries leave the auditorium. Please proceed to the basement for snacks.